Welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad y'all are here, that you decided to join me in the kitchen. I've got a lot of new subscribers lately, and I so appreciate y'all subscribing. It means the world to me, and I love all your comments. Um, some people have been kind of ugly, but I just kind of try to overlook them, say a prayer for them, and go on. Um, we're going to do some grilling outside tonight. And I have got some salmon fillets, and we're going to grill them. I'm going to show y'all how we do it, how my daddy did it. Um, Daddy learned how to do it when he was traveling for work, and he was in Canada quite a bit at the fish camps. So there we go. There's our two fillets, right like that. Grab my towel here, dry my hands on. Now then, what we need we need a lemon, we need some salt, and we need some dill. So y'all hold on just a minute. Let me dig this dill out. I should have had that done. Okay, now then, like I said, we need a lemon. We're going to juice that lemon. We're going to do that first. Before we get, hope y'all can see. Turn y'all down. I think you can see good. We're going to juice our lemon on it first so that the lemon juice does not wash away the rest of our seasoning. Okay? And this is you're just going to juice it right along the top just like that. If you don't have a real lemon, use some lemon juice, but you need some lemon. All right, there's our lemon. Now then, I'm going to take some salt and just sprinkle across the top of it. Y'all, this is one of the easiest things in the world to do, and I am telling you, it is delicious. And you always want to, if you're going to grill it, you want them to have the skin on. That's very important because you put them skin side down on the grill. You never flip them. You just put them skin side down, and that skin protects them from the heat. Okay? Now we're going to sprinkle us some dill weed. Get me a little spoon. All right, now then, we're going to put just a little bit of dill just like this across the top. Just some dill. That was about a teaspoon of dill on both of those. Add more or less, whatever. Leave the dill off if you don't like dill. Sometimes my daddy would put onions on the top. But this was the way he did it most of the time, just with some salt, some lemon, some dill, and one more thing. Some butter. And this butter will help it to brown as it grills. And you just want to put it right there in the center, about a teaspoon or tablespoon or so. Piece is big. I'm going to put a couple pieces on it. And there you go. I'll bring you back when we get ready to put it on the grill, okay? So I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, y'all, here we go again. Back down the steps. Out here to the, what used to be a patio. It's not a patio anymore. It kind of fell over. It's just a concrete pad. We got a lot of work to do here on the farm. So I'm bringing our fish out. We're going to put this on. All right, here we go.
We need to move the corn first.
Okay, we'll move the corn. Put it around here to the side. Not like that.
Cut it. You need your big spatula, Lynn.
Hold it down here.
That one is not. It's going to get done faster.
I know it will.
Lay it at the side somewhere.
All right. All right, there we do. We got it all on the grill. And it's all just going to cook here. I'm going to go get a bigger spatula so we'll have it to take it off. But you do not turn that salmon over. Pop the lid back on there. You do not turn it over. You just let it cook right like that. All right, so we'll be back when we get everything done, and I'll show you how it looks. All right, let's check this big one more time. Oh, I believe it's done. Yes, it is done. Look at that. See how it just flaked off there? That's what you want. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. We're going to take this in the house, and I'll show you what to do with your corn. Okay, we've got our fish back in here. Look at it. You do not turn it over. You just let it cook. Nothing better in the summertime than the grilled salmon just on a salad for me. It is just put it on a bed of cut salad greens and vegetables, fresh vegetables, and it is just so deliciously yummy. So here's our fish. Right there it is. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.